Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone. Today we're going to talk about battery failure and how to prevent it. As your battery nears the end of its life around 3 to 5 years, it's time to consider the best battery for your car and for your budget. In the meantime, however, there's several things that can be done to get the most out of your battery life. If it's a long time between starts, use a battery maintainer. A battery maintainer keeps an on-demand, low amperage charge on your battery, eliminating any slow discharge. Remember that a slow discharge and recharge is eventually going to kill a perfectly good battery. Periodically, check your battery terminals for corrosion and keep the post and the clamps clean. Battery corrosion washers and dielectric grease are going to help aid in keeping any corrosion at bay. Your car battery is used for starting and nothing else. If you throw the stereo on in the truck out at the campsite, or you spend any time powering items with the car not running, consider an auxiliary battery. Many vehicles are equipped with a protective heat blanket or shield around the battery. Over time, these devices break down, they get removed or discarded. They're designed to protect the battery from the hot elements underneath the hood, so be sure to keep them around. Finding out your battery is bad in a frozen, empty parking lot at night is not a good thing. Finding out your battery needs to be replaced while getting tested in an AutoZone parking lot is far less stressful. Come to AutoZone for a free battery test or anything else you need for your battery. You may not experience any warning signs of battery failure, but a battery test and consistent schedule are essential for preventing any sudden failure and reducing the odds of getting stranded, which is never good. Stop by your local AutoZone for free testing or any other battery issues, and to learn more about basic vehicle care, be sure to like and subscribe below.